OnePlus 9RT is finally here. OnePlus officially launched its new smartphone, the OnePlus 9RT. This phone has specifications that are quite different from the other OnePlus 9 series. The OnePlus 9RT was released in China. This phone has physical dimensions of 162.2 x 74.6 x 8.29mm and weighs 198.5 grams. This OnePlus 9RT is equipped with Snapdragon 888 chipset along with a space cooling system, which is claimed to have a cooling size 59% larger than the OnePlus 9 model. Meanwhile, for displaying graphics, the OnePlus 9RT relies on the AMOLED panel with 6.62-inch diagonal. This display supports a resolution of 1080 x 2400 pixels, a refresh rate of 120 Hz, and HDR10 Plus technology. This phone has a punch hole in the top left corner of the phone as a place to let a 16-megapixel selfie camera with Sony IMX41 lens. On the back, there are 3 cameras arranged vertically in the rectangular model. The 3 cameras consist of 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX41 sensor, a 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and 2-megapixel macro camera. The OnePlus 9RT is available in combinations of 8GB and 12GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 128GB and 256GB UFS 3.1 internal memory. Supported by a 4500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, the OnePlus 9RT runs the Android 11 operating system with the ColorOS 11 interface. Other specifications of this phone include NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, and Dolby Atmos. Available in black, silver, and green color options, the OnePlus 9RT is sold in China with prices starting at 3,300 yuan. Along with the launch of this phone, OnePlus also released a TWS device called the OnePlus Buds Z2.